now we will just visit that one of the data set which we are going to use while implementing this neural network. So that is MNIST data set. So have you heard about this MNIST data set?
Yes, yes, I heard.
Okay, so these are the handwritten numbers. Okay, so I'll show you directly where it is present. So you can just view that or it is available in this tutorial itself. So you can say from TensorFlow example tutorial.mnist and import input underscore data
Yeah.
and just read that data set into MNIST, and you can convert it into four parts like mnist.train.images. So gives you in a X training and the labels in a Y train. So these are the four parts which
Okay,
we
one question I had general is
okay.
we use TensorFlow only when we are dealing with images, is it?
No. We can deal with text also, sound also.
So where is that you want to use TensorFlow and where is that you will use Skylar?
For machine learning, like in Skylab, the image part is not that much pretty good. So you cannot go and do the scikit-learn for the images. So for that, this TensorFlow is helpful. So mostly the all algorithms related to deep learning are developed using the TensorFlow. So it's
That's
a
where
deep
I'm
learning.
that's where I'm still stuck, you know. I don't
Uh,
understand the difference only. What is the difference between deep and machine learning? I mean, I know in general, okay, this is a bigger network and deep network and all of it.
uh.
And but in particular, I don't understand that like specific answer. I have never got that. That's
So in short, in machine learning, we need, to train a deep learning network, we need maximum data. And the results are obviously pretty good than the machine learning algorithms. Uh, because the networks are deep and it takes a lot of time to train the network, and but the results are very good than the machine learning. Whereas if the data is very short, then we go for the machine learning algorithm, and depending upon we'll get the result.
okay.
Mm,
So we took the images.
yeah, so it is in a four part now.
Yeah.
We can just check the shape over here.
Mm-hmm.
So there are 55000 multiplied by 784. So each image size is 28 by 28. So if we stretch that, it becomes 784. Okay.
Okay.
So we are going to use this, uh, this 784 as an input layer because for every pixels. Okay. So
Yeah, got it.
it look like this basically.
Yeah.
So 28 by 28. Okay.
Yeah.
We can visualize the data like this.
Okay.
Now we'll just
Can you
go
go? Can you go up a bit?
here.
Yeah, a light slightly up. Up. I
Which
think.
one? Okay.
Okay, it's all okay. Okay, sorry. I thought there is some code that which I didn't see, but it's okay.
No. This is just a description for the data, how
Data.
it is
Okay.
5500 training and
Okay. No problem. No problem.